Amazing places. There's no place on Earth like Hawaii. Discover the greenest places on the planet. Dive into the bluest ocean at the world's most beautiful beaches. Experience the local culture and sample some memorable local cuisine. Whether you're a new visitor or returning, the 6 unique islands offer unique experiences for all travelers. Explore the amazing views of Almaty and the Alatau Mountains from the historic Hotel Kazakhstan in Almaty. Just a few minutes walk away is the well-known Green Market, a must-see for first-time visitors. There, you can shop for traditional goods and sample local products. You can also enjoy the museums in the area and discover lots of interesting facts about the Kazakh culture and history. Nowhere in the world is more relaxing than the Tree Hotel Resort in northern Sweden. Stay in one of these luxurious treehouse cabins in the middle of a forest. You will be sleeping at least 5 meters above ground and breathing in nothing but fresh air. This is ideal for any traveler who loves the outdoors, but the Tree Hotel Resort offers incredible comfort for those who are usually not too keen on camping. When you think of Crete, you no doubt imagine relaxing on soft, sandy beaches and cooling off in the blue Mediterranean Sea. The island is surrounded by some of the most impressive coastal areas in the world. However, a trip to Crete wouldn't be complete without sampling some of its history and culture. It is home to Knossos and Phaistos, 2 of the most important archaeological sites in all Greece. Crete is the perfect place to visit for people who want to relax as well as take in some culture.